drive like that?
Yeah. That's why I crashed so many times.
Why are you quiet, Claire? You're all quiet. Why are you quiet?
What, do you want me to shout?
Yeah, man!
Yeah! Shout!
So?
Can we get a dog? You said for a cat.
I told you you can have a cat.
Can we get a cat now? Today?
No.
Are there not any rescue centres nearby? You can have a look. It doesn't hurt to look. Window shopping now.
Oh my god!
No, they're gone away. Yes.
What's wrong with people? What do they think's going to happen?
The car,
I'm not going to think.
the exhaust gets flooded and then they're stranded. That's what happens. I think it's gonna happen. I mean, me personally, I just go straight through the middle of the puddle.
I do. Don't bother me.
And it doesn't matter, but other people aren't like that.
And you get people when you...
Other people care about their cars.
The other side of it, I notice people are flashing the lights going like that.
To warn you.
Yeah, as if I didn't know it was bloody there.
Well, you could be blind. Driving but blind, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Why do you think you get a licence if you're blind?
No, you can't, because you can't see.
Or a lesbian?
Are you kissing me?
Well, lesbians have trouble.
They're not be driving.
You don't know. There's some strange ways.
I'm pretty sure they can drive. I mean, I don't think he did. I think he just pushed your way in.
He did. He bloody flashed at me.
I don't think he did. I didn't see him.
He went flash. Thanks, mate. That's why I waved at him.
No, I didn't see that. I just saw you pushing him.
This is bloody
You're one of
perfect
those,
driver.
aren't you?
Does 85 mile an hour on a bloody motorway.
I can't. I've got a black box. I can't do 85 miles an hour.
Doesn't seem to bother you.
I've got to stick to speed limits.
So have I. It's the law.
Exactly. No, to be fair, I push it. I don't push it. I do like 73
Drive
miles
it.
an hour. Because that's illegal.
Push it. Bloody well isn't.
It is legal.
It's 70 miles an hour on a motorway and it's 70 miles an hour for a reason.
Yes.
Well, that's
So I do 72, 73. That's
No.
legal.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
70 miles an hour on the motorway.
I know it is.
You should be banned! Get off the road!
I haven't killed anyone yet, so I'm cool.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, exactly.
On your first death, are you then going to slow down to 70?
Then I'll consider my choices. Could
It's
be.
their own bloody fault.
Yes.
They shouldn't be walking on the motorway.
Exactly. They weren't on the zebra crossing. Gotta be all the fish. Oh. Alright, Kevin, calm down. Illegal. That's illegal.
That is not illegal.
That's illegal.
That is not a mobile
That's
phone.
illegal.
That is not a mobile
That's
phone.
illegal.
If I want to hold it, I can do.
Illegal.
He didn't. That's an ambulance. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and may I introduce to you the best daughter in the world, Chloe.
That was very sarcastic, wasn't it?
She is the best daughter for many, many reasons. Number one. No, I've got nothing.
Oh, that warmed my heart.
We were separated for 16 years through neither fault of our own, neither fault. And now, I think we've got the perfect father-daughter relationship. She hates me and I hate her back.
Yes.
She's got the same sense of humour as me, which is completely wrong and stupid.
I sadly kind of look like you.
She sadly can't have looked like me.
Yeah.
Anyway, the plan is, as and when, we may start doing videos together. Chloe may start her own YouTube channel doing girl things, whatever girls do. Flowers and stuff. I don't do flowers, I'm a bloke.
Flowers. Yes, just flowers. Just flowers.
Flowers.
Just flowers. I could do flower arrangements, even though I don't know how to do that.
Well, you just put one there and one there.
Just the 2 flowers.
That's arranged,
Just-
isn't it?
Just 2 flowers.
Well, 3 then.
Not a bouquet, just 2.
Don't bloody complicate it. It's a piece of piss. So, as everybody knows that Chloe's moved in with me and we're living happily ever after.
Kind of.
Well, I'm happy. Chloe isn't.
Don't make that sound bad. I am happy.
Oh, she is happy. She's changed her mind now. See, typical teenagers. Well, she's not a teenager. They change their
20.
mind like the wind. Because Chloe's moved in with me, as everybody knows, my flat has now got to be redecorated and made into a home rather than a place that you just stop. So Chloe's decided that we go to IKEA and go and choose some shit, I don't know. A cabinet.
Just the one.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, just
I only want one.
to put all your shit in.
Put all my shit in.
I just
What?
swore.
That's not bad, I can publish that. But I may dub it over and say you said fuck. Oh my god! I'm such a bad father.
Terrible.
We went in IKEA last week and I got thrown out. And it's all Chloe's fault.
That is not my fault.
Chloe
You went to the toilet, put a bin over your head. I walked completely past you because I didn't even see you there. And then the security guard told you to leave.
No sense of humour whatsoever. Don't frown at me. What? Clean shoe.
It's not to clean the shit.
It is. It is, look. Right.
Bit hard.
Have you just snapped your spine when you sat in it?
Yes.
Oh, it's not comfy then.
No, we need to relocate.
Chloe doesn't like being on camera. She's a bit nervous. Because my windows and everything else was shut for 16, 15 years, waiting for you to come home, damp settled in. That's why they smell of damp and old people.
That's you.
And squirrels.
You.
I don't smell like a squirrel.
How do you even know what a squirrel smells like?
Well, they are sniffing them. Just before I lay the axe on them.
Do you want also nail varnish?
Every man has to have the nail varnish.
Of course, it's a necessity.
It's broken.
You've just broke it.
It's comfy.
No, it isn't.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not. The back of it's hard. The bottom bit's comfy. And then the back bit is like
You have to
brick.
put your TV on the ceiling. I don't want to move.
It's not comfy.
I think I've snapped my back. Oh God, call me an ambulance.
Because your idea of comfy is way off.
You got this? Not there.
No, because if this isn't comfy, the rest of it isn't going to be comfy.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
I am comfy.
I'm not. Let's get a rocking chair.
Are you old?
Yes.
Ah.
It rocks. Come back to sleep.
You mean like Wiki Wawa?
Oh, no, I don't like it.
No. What's the point? I mean, you can't even. I can't try. I can't try a settee. Oh.
Comfy. I mean, it's not a tag here, so I can't tell you what it's already.
Should we have out panelling on the wall?
Oh, this is the thing you can get it in.
Oh my God! Different colours. Do they do it in black to suit my mood? I like that.
mean, you haven't got a space like that in your flat though.
I'll make one.
You need to make a diagonal thingy then.
I can make one. I'll put a stair up there that doesn't go anywhere.
That's just wasted space.
I know. It'll look good.
No, it wouldn't. It
Yeah, I
would
could
be
put
stupid.
lights underneath it.
Under the stairs that lead to nowhere.
Well, they're not going to be stairs.
What's it going to be
Because
then?
you'd only get halfway up and smack your head on the ceiling.
There's no point then, is there?
No. I don't even know what you're on about. You've got some weird ideas, you have.
You're such a child.
There's a piss stain on there.
Oh, it's not coffee.
I thought there was a head thing. No, I ain't having that. Just fractured my f***ing skull on it. What if I made my living room into a patio?
Well, that's just... No.
Half patio
No.
and put decking outside
No, outside where? You haven't got an outside.
and build a conservatory?
No.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
No.
I'd need a shitload of bricks and a shed. God, women don't get it.
Stop being aggressive.
I'm not being aggressive. It's not even a brick
that's
wall.
not real. We like it. Who's done? That's how you want to do it.
You have to have a table, otherwise you to take your face off every time you stand up.
Try and reach the table. Look how low it is.
Which for eating noodles?
Sit on the floor.
Yeah.
What's the point of having a sofa then?
So it's not as far to go down when you get on the floor to eat your
Oh,
noodles.
so the sofa's like a middle ground.
Yeah.
You have to get ready to sit on
It's
the
for
floor.
old people.
So for you. Perfect. Let's get it now.
I do need to modify my bedroom, modernise it. I've had the same table in there for at least 5 decades. When I was 3.
This one is £130.
I ain't paying
Yes,
that.
guess how much?
500
Oh,
quid.
you've already seen it.
Why would you pay 500 quid for that?
Business. Let's talk about your business. I mean, we can get a seat like this.
You see them in a pub.
Can we get these chairs?
No, because you're a juvenile delinquent and you just sit there spinning on it all the time.
Like you wouldn't.
Yeah.
It's a desk that you can also stand at. So you can sit and stand and still be the same height.
Okay, go and get that chair. Can you see
Yeah,
the
it's
problem?
eye level.
Women,
Simple logistics.
women, not fitted the sink properly.
That's the design of it.
No, it isn't. It's just shoddy
is.
workmanship.
No, that's the design. I don't like it either, but that's the design.
No,
Yes, it is.
no, it's shit.
Yes, it is. What is it?
A cupboard?
Is it a bathroom? The door's broke. It doesn't work.
I do like
And it has
that.
lights. Look. Let there be light. Can you see them? There. Lights.
I do like that. That's it.
You want your bedroom purple?
No,
What do you want?
I want the walls.
Yeah, I've already said we've got the paint from B&Q, Tower Road. I got the tester part, we didn't even test it.
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah. Who knows it? Does it tell you what colour the walls are?
They're brown.
Oh, it tells you.
It's brown.
It tells you.
Is it
Walls
brown?
Finish. It's not brown. It's purple
Does it
grey.
say brown?
It says purple grey.
They ain't
12
purple.
metres. I want that chair, it's cool. I don't mean that colour though. comfort. God, did you see it bend?
Does it come with a skateboard attached to it? Because it ain't very comfortable.
Brown. Grey. Brown. Grey.
Black, brown.
They haven't painted them different colours. It's the light
That's
making it look
that wall is brown. I'm red green colourblind, but that is brown. No, it's brown.
That. Grey. Grey.
Brown. I'm not arguing with you because I'm right. Okay, how many people are going to watch this, right? We'll say that there's going to be about, what, 10,000-15,000 people.
It's grey.
That there is black. What colour is that wall there?
I'm saying it's grey. Look.
Is this that blue-white dress?
Yeah. Look, grey and grey.
Brown.
Ow, grey and grey.
That is brown.
Grey, it's grey. Grey and grey. And all of this is the same colour.
Brown.
But that light there is yellow, so it's going to make it look brown.
I'm not looking at the light.
You don't take anything into consideration.
I want that light. Yeah, but anyone watching this video ain't good enough for you. Even if there's 25 million people watch it, there's no one good enough for you. I'll tell you that now. £45 for a pillar.
I just wanted a normal pillow. You know, to hang your coats on and stuff. I need one.
You mean a coat hanger?
It's not a coat hanger.
Yes,
a coat
it
hanger
is.
is what you put in your wardrobe.
No.
A wrap. I need a wrap.
Shall I buy some
Do you
slippers?
need any accents for your bathroom?
Accents?
Yeah.
What, Scottish? We'll get some Scottish stuff for it.
Really. That to put soap in, and then a cup for your toothbrushes and stuff.
What for?
No accents for your bathroom.
It's not accent, it's an unnecessary. That, how big's that? How much is that? £3.
I mean, I doubt that. 25
I ain't paying £25 for someone I'm putting shit in. My leg! I've broken my leg. Ow! You don't care. Stop laughing. So this is what kids do all day.
Shut up.
And they wonder why child mortality is so high. Because they walk up to a road, lorry, dead.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do.
Even admits it.
Why lie?
Disgusting.
Why lie?
She does it while she's driving as well.
No, I
While she's doing 85 on the motorway and she thinks that's
yeah, I'm
okay.
on my phone texting you, of course.
It's fine, it's fine. I haven't got an iPhone.
Is your phone rubbish?
No.
Yes.
My phone is far superior. It doesn't like security breaches. That's a security breach. You never know, there could be a bloke beneath that with a laptop nicking all your
A bloke
equipment.
underneath here,
Yeah,
where there's loads of shelves full
Yes,
of stuff.
yes.
He's right there.
very small man,
Right there.
sitting there with his laptop going, oh yeah, I'll just nick all her credit card details.
Yeah? Believe that.
I honestly thought you said B&M sell piles.
No, I said B&Q sell tiles. Oh, there's a dog in there.
What? Hang on, what tiles got to do with a bin?
No, run about kitchen. Doesn't matter.
So we went to IKEA to get a kitchen bin.
Yes.
I came out with glasses that I don't need.
I mean,
You came out with a picture frame that you don't want.
no, it wasn't for me.
Then there was a 15-minute queue, so we just left them and walked out and came out with absolutely all. Right to that.
Carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on.
It's
Carry
there.
On. Right.
Da, 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 da,
Do not ruin gorillas for me.
da, 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 da,
Stop.
da, da,
Yeah.